Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in the previous video we have seen like how we can create the base module structure. Okay, and in this video we are going to see how we can call the module, how we can refer the existing module. Okay, so if you remember, in the previous video we have created two folder with the name of module and with the name of teams, right? Inside the module we have two subfolder, EC2 and security group, right? And inside this security group we have main.tf. there we have defined the configuration to create the EC2 instance. Okay, and let's go back to the teams folder. So here we have team A and team B, right? So let's go to the VS Code and let's see how we can refer this. Okay, so let's save this and let's open the terminal. And let's open the terminal here as well. New terminal. Okay, so we are inside music teams, right? So let's go to the team A, cd A. So now we are inside team A folder, right? So let's go back to this configuration where our this module EC2 module exists. Okay, so let's do ls here to see we are under music modules, then we are under EC2, right? There the configuration of EC2 module exists. Okay, so we have to go cd and EC2. So we are now under EC2, right? So if we want to go and access this module, right, then where we have to go? We have to go into the music folder. Then first we have to go we first have to go to the music, then we have to go to the module, then we have to go to the EC2, right? So cd ... we are inside now modules folder. Now cd ... then now we are inside music folder where the configuration of EC2 module exists, right? So let's go here. Okay, let's go here and define here one module dot tf. Okay, and how we can refer any module? We have to use module, and module name I will keep EC2 because I am going to provision the EC2 instance. Okay, and source that I will use, what will be the source path from where I want to call the module, right? So we are inside a team folder, right? So we want to go to the music folder, right? So we have to use dot. Okay, to come back one directory. Okay, to go back one directory. Okay, now we are inside teams folder, we are not inside music folder. Okay, so we have to use one more dot, then forward slash. Now we are inside music folder, right? Then here we have, if we go here, now we are inside music folder, right? And here we have modules, right? So we have to write the modules. Then what we are referring to inside the module, what we are referring? We are referring EC2, right? So here we have to write modules, then forward slash, then EC2, right? So let's save this configuration. Okay, and let's run Terraform init. So as you can see, backend is getting initialized, right? and it's downloading the provider plugin for AWS. Okay, so let's wait for few seconds. So it's taking bit more time. Okay, sorry, okay, I cancelled it by mistake. Okay, so let's wait to the backend getting initialized. Okay, we already got that module.json here. As you can see, the source is .module ec2 directory, right? As we can see it here in the module.json. So we are calling the module, right? As you can see, .terraform, and we have the module subfolder because we are calling the module. I hope this is the clear and you are able to understand like how we can call the module and how we can refer the any module and how we can define the source in the clear manner. If you have any query, then please feel free to drop a comment regarding that. So let's wait and let's go to the AWS meanwhile, so that we can confirm I don't have any EC2 instance running right in the AWS. So let's go back to the VS Code. Yeah, now it's successfully initialized. Let's run terraform apply -auto -approve to provision the EC2, right? So let's wait. So as you can see, plan 1 to add, right, and it's creating the EC2 instance using the module ec2.aws instance.web, right? It's creating the EC2 instance using the module. So let's wait and let's go to the AWS console so that we can confirm that our EC2 instance is getting created. Yeah, it's got created and the status check is running. Okay, so we have successfully created our first module and we have successfully called that module, and using the module we have successfully created EC2 instance, right? So let's go back, and here I want to destroy it, and now I will call it from team B. Okay, now I will try to provision the same EC2 instance using the team B folder. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds so that our instance will be terminated. Okay, as you can see, plan 0 to add, 0 to change, 1 to destroy, right? So it's destroying the EC2 instance that we have created just now using the team A, right? So it's destroying. So yeah, it's destroyed the EC2 instance. Now let's go back cd ... We are now under teams cd b. Okay, now let's run. Let's copy this and here create one file module tf. Okay, and paste the source path here. And now let's run Terraform init, and yeah, as you can see it here, the Terraform module is coming up and backend is getting initialized. Okay, so let's go and verify that our EC2 instance got terminated that we have created using team A. Yeah, it's got terminated. So now we are going to create the EC2 using team B, right? So let's wait for a few more seconds, and we can explore meanwhile. So as you can see here, we have the module.json, and here we have provider plugging and everything, right? So now it's successfully initialized. So let's run Terraform apply -auto approve to provision the EC2 using team B. Okay, so let's wait so that our instance get created. So as you have observed, these both team have different tf state file and different Terraform log and module folder and everything. So we have different different files specific to the teams, right? So this is how module help us to organize and work in the standard way whenever we are provisioning infrastructure in the real time for any organization, right? So this is how useful module is. Like, we are just defining one configuration and we can call it from anywhere. We can call it from 100 number of the teams. Okay, and yeah, as we can see, so your EC2 got created. Let's go and verify. So let's wait. Yeah, so as you can see here, the one instance is in running state and status check is happening and getting initialized. Okay, so let me go here, and now let me destroy this instance so that there will be no charge. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.